Hi there, students. I've had a question about the difference between to announce and to declare. Notice the nouns: an announcement, a declaration. Well, I think to announce means to make a public statement, to make information public, to let everybody know. Whereas to declare is to announce officially, to affirm that this is true in an official way, to swear that it's true. So, for example, he announced that he was getting married. He told all his friends, "I'm getting married, guys." He declared marriage to his girlfriend. He said officially, "Will you marry me?" A declaration of marriage. When you declare, you affirm or swear something is true publicly, or you officially reveal your support for a scheme, your choice of candidate, your opinion. Announce is just spread the news, but declare is officially say. And there's a big difference. So, for example, there was a big trial and the jury declared the defendant innocent. They made a solemn declaration that he was innocent. They said officially he was innocent. And then outside the court, the news reporters announced the news. They announced that he was innocent. So to declare is like an official announcement. Whereas an announcement, you just spread the news. So he declared that he was innocent of all accusations. Okay, he solemnly swore that this was true. He announced that he was innocent of all accusations. I think, to me, that sounds like he announced that he had been officially declared innocent. Let's see, when you do your taxes, you make a tax declaration and you sign at the bottom to say, "I declare this is true." Then maybe you can announce the numbers in your tax declaration publicly. You let everybody know about it. You can declare war. The government sent an official letter declaring war. And then all the newspapers announced the fact that there was a war. He'd been ill and off work, and the doctor declared that he was fit for work. The doctor signed a paper, "You're ready to go back to work." And then he announced to his family that he was going back to work. So to announce is to let everyone know publicly, to give news to people. Whereas declare is to say officially that this is your opinion, this is who you support, if you're guilty, if you're innocent, you are declaring, "I promise this is true." And you could sign a document saying it was true. In cricket as well, you can declare, you announce officially that your innings is finished, even though the other team haven't taken all your witnesses. Okay, so what about the origin of these words? Well, declare, de clarus, Latin, clear, and annuncio, I think nuncio is a message. So you send a message out. Now, what about the formality of these two words? I think announce is probably a neutral word, and I'd give it a 5 out of 10. I think declare is a fraction more formal, and I'd probably give it a 6. But you can use both of these words in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal situation, or a very formal writing. So they're nice and flexible. And they're both regular verbs. Announce, announced, announced. Declare, declared, declared. So, announce and declare. To announce, to tell everybody publicly. To declare, to say officially. And maybe announce it as well, but announce officially. And that's the difference between declare and announce. Announce is just say. Declare is say officially. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Announce and declare.